Hello friends, my name is Saurabh Deshmukh, working as an assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. In this video, we are going to learn the problems on block diagram reduction. The learning outcome. At the end of this session, the learner will able to solve a problem on block diagram reduction. So this is our first problem. So in this particular block, we need to shift this summing point before this block, the block G1, so that the block G1 and H1 will be in minor feedback loop. Okay, so we'll shift this particular summing point before this block. So we need to insert 1 by G1 block in this particular branch. Okay, so I will draw the simplified diagram here. We have shifted this particular summing point and we have merged that summing point in this second summing point. Okay, so we'll directly shift it here and here positive sign, so it will be positive, and this will be our minor feedback loop with the feedback element H1. The other things will be same. Here G2, the control output CS, and here a takeoff point. Okay, so we have shifted this particular point to this point. Now here the G3 and G1, 1 upon G1, these are in series, and for that here we are considering here there is no block, right? So we are considering here block as a unity, and this particular G1 and H1 are in minor feedback loop. So we will solve these two in one step only. So here it is R of S, that is the reference signal RS. Okay, so we'll write it as a G3 by G1, and this is our unity feedback loop. This is our block G1, this is block G2, and this is our controlled signal. Okay, and this is our feedback H1, and this is our another feedback loop with the block H2. Okay, this is minus, this is plus, and this is minus. Now this G3 by G1 and this unity block are in parallel, and this G1 and H1, these two blocks are in feedback loop. So we'll apply here a parallel law and feedback law. So it will be RS these two G3 by G1 and 1, these blocks are in parallel, so it will be 1 plus G3 by G1. So after simplifying it, what it will be? It will be G1 plus G3 upon G1. Then these two blocks are in feedback loop, so it will be G1 upon 1. This is minus, so we'll take here as a plus sign G1 H1 and this block G2. And the feedback loop, second feedback loop with the block H2 will be remain there. Now these three blocks, which one? G1 plus G3 by G1, this is second block, and this G2 third block, these blocks are in series connection. So we will multiply the block and we'll get a simplified block diagram here. RS, so it will be G1 plus G3 upon G1 into this second block, it will be G1 upon 1 plus G1 H1 into G2. And we are having here a summing point for the feedback loop with the block H2. Okay, here the sign is negative, so it will be negative. Okay, now we will simplify this particular block. Okay, so it will be after simplifying, G1 will get cancelled, so it will be G2 into bracket G1 plus G3 upon 1 plus G1 H1. And this is our feedback loop H2. So now we need to apply the minor feedback loop law here. So this is our forward path loop block and this is our feedback loop path block. So what it will be? It will be CS by RS. Okay, CS by RS equals to G2 into bracket G1 plus G3 upon. So what it actually tells, if this is our block G, this is our block H, the forward path block is G, the reverse or the feedback path block is H, then it will be G upon, here the sign is negative, so we are considering here the sign as positive. Okay, so it will be G upon 1 plus GH. So this particular block is G here, so it will be 1 plus G1 H1 total divided by 1, so it will be negative. So here we are considering a positive sign, G1 into or G into H, so it will be G2 into bracket G1 plus G3 upon 1 plus G1 H1 into H2. So we'll further simplify this particular equation equals to, so we are cross multiplying it, so it will be G2 into bracket G1 plus G3 upon 1 plus G1 H1 total divided by, if we are multiplying by this denominator to this one, it will be 1 plus G1 H1 plus, and multiplying this G2 into this bracket, it will be G1 G2 plus G2 G3 divided by 1 plus G1 H1. Okay, so these will get cancelled, equals to, it will be, if we multiply G2 into this bracket again, it will be G1 G2 plus G2 G3 divided by 1 plus G1 H1 plus, oh, we forgot the H2 here, so if we multiply it by H2 here, it will be H2 and H2. Okay, so actually we forgot the H2 block here, so it will be 1 plus G1 H1 G1 G2 H2 plus G2 G3 H3. So this will be our answer, control signal upon reference signal. Okay, these are the references. Thank you.